Hi everyone. Once again, this is Siren Trader. We'll be talking about Bitcoin. What will be the possible move, and what are the key levels that we are talking about? Okay. Um, as of now, we are looking at the weekly time frame to see the overall scenario for BTC. BTC is currently having a sell signal. This is um, very alarming. No, when it comes to weekly time frame, it is very bearish. No, if you've seen the previous buy and sell of our silent trader indicator, it indicates the weakness sa market whenever there is a sell signal. Okay, what are the key levels that we are talking about? Okay, at first, we'll try to plot the support or the support and resistance, especially on the weekly time frame, probably around 71, no, or 71 or 70, possible retest, and then before it will bounce and then it will go down again. And as you can see, from 2020, this pandemic, up to this level, okay, probably that will be the retest area. Okay, as you can see, if this will hit on that level, okay, so that will be the retest also of our bull trend, no, since 2020. Okay, we'll be talking with these about the support level because it's very important. No? And weekly time frame tells us that Bitcoin is very bearish. So we will expect some sellers, and there will be also some days that there will be a bounce, especially on the intraday. Okay, but most likely it is a very uh, good waiting area on this particular level around 64 to 65, right? Okay, so weekly has a sell signal, and on our daily time frame, we're currently below of that EMA 200, and we are heading towards this important level, which is the 70 to 71 area. Okay, in the coming days, we might experience some another continuation, and after hitting this one, we will have a bounce. Probably that bounce will just give some altcoins for some recovery, and after that, we'll have some another drop after that swing, no, after that drop, and then after the drop, there will be a recovery. That recovery will be possible around 90 level, and then before another rejection. Okay, must worst will be if weekly time frame EMA 200 will be retested. This is the worst case scenario around 51. That's the deepest. If there will be a market crash, probably that will be around EMA 200. Okay, so as of now, we don't see any market crash, but sooner or later, we will be experiencing that one around 43% after that retest. No? So probably in the coming days or weeks, we'll have, after hitting this 70 to 71, probably around swing another 90, and probably will have another drop. Okay, that will be the possible scenario. And on our intraday, we don't see any recovery yet. No, so as of now, market is still very bearish, and as of now, if you try to have a long position, it will eat up your stop loss, and possibly you will have a liquidation alert. No, so better watch for some pullback and then another shorting positions. Okay, so we'll watch around 70 to 71. That will be a very important level, and we'll have some bounce. Worst case scenario, it will go deep around 65 to 64. That will be the last leg down, probably, if there will be a market crash and then another recovery. I will see if that will hold around 70 to 71 and will have a bounce, or else it will go down deeper around 65. Okay, that's all, and thank you.